2025, the biggest trade event of the year has officially begun. We are VINUT TRUST, and we're so proud to bring our coffee 3-in-1 at Vietnam Sourcing Expo 2025. A product created to deliver both convenient and a premium coffee experience. Our special formula features cream powders containing milk protein, bring a naturally smooth and cream taste, perfectly blended with the rich flavors of carefully selected Arabicas and robusta bean. This refined harmony offers an appetizing aroma, full body flavor, and a burst of energy in every sip. Have you tried VINUT TRUST coffee 3-in-1?
Okay, trying the coffee.
How do you feel about its taste?
It's very good. It's like a bubble tea, but coffee. So it's like a sweet treat. I like it a lot. It's very good. I want more.
Oh yes, you can more.